Hello. My name is Sarah Kaylee, and in today's lesson we will learn some classroom objects. To see the meanings in Spanish, grab your guide and go to the lesson page. Remember to raise your intonation every time you see bold letters. Desk. I have my pencil and notebook on my desk in class. Desk. I have my pencil and notebook on my desk in class. Chair. I sit on my chair to listen to the teacher. Whiteboard. The teacher writes on the whiteboard during the lesson. Chalkboard. The teacher writes the instructions on the chalkboard. Markers. We use colored markers to make drawings on the board. Chalk. The teacher writes with chalk on the board. Textbook. In science class, we use our textbook to study. Notebook. I take notes in my notebook during history class. Well done! You have reached the end of the lesson. How did it seem to you? If you think you need to practice a little more, feel free to play this video again.